Homemade flourless strawberry chocolate cake recipe. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Multi Recipes and Cookeries channel. Today, we're diving into the world of gluten-free and decadent desserts with a flourless strawberry chocolate cake. It's rich, it's indulgent, and it's perfect for all you chocolate lovers out there. Let's get started. 8 ounces, about 225 grams, of high-quality dark chocolate. 1 cup, 2 steps, of unsalted butter. 1 cup of granulated sugar. 4 large eggs. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Half cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 cup of fresh strawberries, hulled and sliced. Additional fresh strawberries for garnish optional. Powdered sugar for dusting optional. Whipped cream or vanilla ice cream for serving optional. Step 1. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine 8 ounces of dark chocolate and 1 cup of unsalted butter. Melt the chocolate and butter together in the microwave in 20-second intervals until smooth. Set it aside to cool slightly. Step 2. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of granulated sugar and 4 large eggs until well combined. Step 3. Stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract into the egg and sugar mixture. Step 4. In another bowl, combine half cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Step 5. Now, fold the melted chocolate and butter mixture into the egg and sugar mixture. Mix until you have a smooth batter. Step 6. Gently fold in the cocoa powder and salt mixture into the batter until everything is well combined. Step 7. Fold in 1 cup of fresh strawberries into the batter. These sweet gems will add a burst of flavor and a touch of freshness to the cake. Step 8. Butter and line an 8-inch, 20 centimeters, round cake pan with parchment paper. Pour the batter into the pan and spread it evenly. Step 9. Bake the cake in the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out with a few moist crumbs. Let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Step 10. Dust the cake with powdered sugar, garnish with additional fresh strawberries if you like, and serve it warm or at room temperature. It's fabulous on its own, but you can also add a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream for an extra treat. And there you have it, a fantastic homemade flourless strawberry chocolate cake. It's a delightful gluten-free dessert that's incredibly rich and satisfying. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Multi Recipes and Cookeries channel for more delicious creations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much, flourless strawberry chocolate cake lovers.